welcome to Days in Flavor. Today is a special day because it is raining in California and I was all drenched outside playing with my daughter, but finally I decided, okay, enough, let's go have something warm. Well, my daughter doesn't want to have something warm. She wants to have cold boba tea, ice boba tea, and she's going to make it with brown sugar and honey and these warm soaked bobas. Well, it's basically an iced sweet milk tea. It's like a cocktail shake, after which boba pearls are added, and that blast of this boba pearls and this warm boba pearls and the cold tea, oh my god, it's just crazy delicious. The credit for today's recipe goes to little princess Dia. Yes, she made this boba tea. Well, let's jump into the recipe. The main ingredient is the tapioca pearl. You can get any brand. I got this one from the Chinese market, and this one says ready in 5 minutes. So Dia is going to measure, and she is taking around half a cup. So this is how it looks like, and this has to be refrigerated after opening. Now in another glass, get hot water. Now we are going to make tea basically. So she's adding water to the cup that she likes, and she's going to add 2 bags of tea. She's gently squeezing it to take the decoction out. So now in a large pan we're going to add water. So the ratio is, for every 1 cup of boba pearl, you're going to add 10 cups of water. Now we are going to add the boba pearls gently to the water. And we are going to wait for it to rise. So this cooks in 3 to 5 minutes. It's super simple, easy recipe. And whenever Dia enters the kitchen, it's usually the sweet stuff, something like, especially she makes these brownies and Nutella cookies. Oh, the Nutella bombs are amazing. I will post a video of that one too. So do you have any tip for us?
Yeah, just keep mixing it, or else the boba pearls will stick to the bottom of the pan and it'll be hard to get off.
Oh, okay, it sticks to the bottom of the pan? Alright, that's a great tip. And now it's rising?
Yep, and after it rises, you can close it and wait for 3 minutes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Close it. And then the stove is still going to be on? Oh, 3 minutes? Oh, perfect. Thank you. Now for making the sweet syrup. She's taking brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup, to which she's adding 1/3 of a cup of honey. We'll mix the honey with the sugar. Every time she makes boba tea, she says it's so satisfying. Now I know why. She usually gives me a rest time when she's cooking, so I am not bothered at all. And often I have a craving for mug cake, especially the chocolate mug cake. When I have tea in the afternoon, she brings these hot chocolate mug cakes, and those are amazing. She basically makes it in the microwave and it's ready in 5 minutes.
15 seconds at a time.
Now the boba pearls are done. I think it took just 2 minutes, right? Not 3 minutes. I think less than 2 minutes. Yeah. Beautiful black fluffy boba pearls are ready. Now when you take them out of the hot water, immediately soak it in the cold water, so it's not going to be sticky. What is it tip on here?
You have to drain out the boba, but you also have to leave it in cold water for about 20 seconds. And then you just make sure all the boba pearls are like drowned in this honey and sugar residue so that they can soak up all the flavor.
And this should be warm, right? So the boba ends up warm?
Yeah.
So the boba has to be soaked for a minute or two and it's ready to be transferred. Now removing the tea bag from the glass. Tea is ready. Now Dia is transferring all the boba pearls to the tea. She's not going to be using all the syrup. She's going to leave some behind because it's going to be too sweet. She still likes her tea to be sweet though. I mean, I can't take that much sweet, but she loves it a little sweeter. To this, add ice cold milk. You can also add ice cubes if you need them. Boba tea ready to be served. Try this recipe and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Get dazed in flavor.